Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm super excited to share Suhana Khan's inspired makeup look from her Vogue India magazine photo shoots, and I love all of her look, her outfit, her makeover. So yes girls, today I decided to create her one of the look from her Vogue India magazine cover photo shoots. Yes, and I love the makeup and her hair. So the look is all about soft brown smoky eyes and very natural skin and the base, and very light nude pink lips, and I'm going to use all of these affordable makeup products to achieve that celebrity inspired makeup. So yes girls, if you are interested and excited how I'm going to create the makeup look, then please keep on watching. So to achieve that kind of finish, I'm going to use Pond's BB cream. I'm not going to use any of the foundation. I want to keep the base and the skin very natural. Using any of the foundation brush, you can blend out your BB cream. So now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to hide any of the dark shadows under my eyes and to highlight my face. So yes, this gives you very natural but high coverage. Only to the center part of my face, and with the help of my fingers, I will blend this concealer in a tapping motion. So now I'm going to set everything with this Maybelline New York Super Press Compact. So girls, I'm done with my base. I used Pond's BB cream, and on the top of that I used Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I set everything using Maybelline Super Press Compact to achieve a very natural and light base. And now it's time for eye makeup, and I'm going to create a very soft brown smoky eyes just like Suhana Khan. And to achieve the smoky eye look, I'm going to use Maybelline Nude palette. So this palette has all shades, most of the shades of brown and black, and also a few highlighting shades, and it is the combination of some matte finish brown and also some satin shimmery shades. So the eye makeup is very simple. Like, I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow. It's a matte finish brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease line first. So using a blending brush you can do like so. So I'm going to take the same matte brown eyeshadow and I will apply it to the lower lash line just to smoke out and make my eyes appear a little bit big. After that, I'm going to use a brown gel eyeliner, and using a flat tip brush, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. I'm using this Music Flower gel eyeliner. This is the brown color one, and one of the most cheapest gel eyeliner I have ever used. This brown color, the eyeshadow will appear dark and the color will pop up really well. So yes, I'm going to do the same on the other eye. All you need to do is just follow your crease line like so. So girls, I just applied the brown gel eyeliner all over the eyelid, and I'm going to use the fluffy blending brush, the same blending brush, to blend out the edges of the gel eyeliner like so. And on the top of that, I'm going to use this dark chocolate brown eyeshadow from Maybelline Nude palette. And I will wear the same brown eyeshadow to the lower lash line. I will just blend the outline of these brown eyeshadows so that it looks soft and all blended. So just in a circular motion I will blend the crease line. So now I'm going to use this light brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it right on the center part of my eyelid. Highlight my lid a little bit on the top. So yeah. I'm going to use the same light brown eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyes. To the lower lash line like so. white skin color eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. So make sure that you use matte finish eyeshadow to highlight, not this shiny one. So using Blue Heaven Kajal, I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line like so. And we also apply the Kajal in the waterline. So I'm going to apply Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara now to my upper and lower lashes. It gives a very thick volume. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I want to keep my eyebrows very natural yet thick, like how Suhana Khan has in her photo shoot. So for that I'm going to use the same eyeshadow, the matte brown eyeshadow which I used. So I'm done with my eye makeup, and now I will do a little bit of contouring just for my nose. I'm going to use the same Nude eyeshadow palette from Maybelline and pick up the same brown shades which I used for my eye makeup. After that, I will use this shimmery shade to highlight the bridge of my nose and give it the highest point of my face to add that nice glow on my face. I'm going to add a little bit to the cheekbone. So for blush, I'm going to use Maybelline Color So blush, and it's in the shade Fresh Coral. So I'll wear it very lightly on my cheeks, not too much. So for lipstick, Suhana Khan, she's wearing a very nice peaches nude color, and she's also wearing some lip liner. So for that I'm going to use a Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon. It's in the shade Velvet Red, and with this I will outline my lips first. I'm going to use two different shades of lipstick, and one I'm going to use nude and another one the orange, so that I can mix both of these shades and I can achieve the exact same shade similar like what Suhana Khan is wearing. The lipstick shades I will mention in the description box as well. So just I'll apply the nude color all over my lips. This is the orange color. Right on the top of the lipstick I layer this orange color. So girls, you can see now I have achieved a lipstick shade like this, which is somewhat similar to the lipstick shade what Suhana Khan she is wearing. So girls, this is how the makeup turned out, and I'm kind of loving the makeup look. I just gave a try to Suhana Khan's inspired makeup look from her Vogue India photo shoot, and yeah, this look you can carry it to all of your parties, or you can pair this makeup look with all of your western wear or Indian wear, because the smoky eyes and nude lips are universal flattering. So yes, this is all about Suhana Khan's inspired makeup look, and I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. So girls, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all of the upcoming videos like this, and you can also follow me on all of my social medias, my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, so that we can always stay connected. And girls, do check out my Instagram. You'll find some interesting stuff on my Insta, some outfit ideas and beauty stuff. So yeah, do check out my Insta and follow me over there. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and yes, I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.